Welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. So today is the 10th of December and we have already done the countdown. So my plan for today is to clean these pine cones so that I can use them as decoration in the Christmas tree. So we got this on the floor when we went to the country park. So they had already fallen on the floor and my husband helped to pick it for me. But since they are from nature, we may have to clean it before we put it in our Christmas tree. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's get started. So I'm going to use my cleaning bucket for this purpose and I've already filled it with water. So let me add the pine cones. In the bucket, I'm going to add some white vinegar. So I'm going to find a plate to put on top and then I will submerge the cones into the water and keep it for about 30 minutes. I couldn't find any dish that fits perfectly in this bucket, so I decided to use this empty tissue paper box to press it down so it submerges in the water. So if you have something heavier, it's much better, but this is working for now because I only have 3 cones. So I threw away the vinegar solution, and after staying in solution for 30 minutes, the pines closed, and I also saw some bugs which I threw away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to further clean it with soap water. And then if I want the pines to open, I may have to put it in the oven, but let me try to air dry first. So the pine cones are in soapy water now and I'm going to leave it for a while and then wash it off. I might also scrub a little bit when washing it off.